Imagine this. 10 years from now, you're on a tropical beach sipping a cold drink, while your investments are making more money than you ever thought possible. Sounds like a dream? Well, let me tell you something. It doesn't have to be. But here's the catch. Only 1% of people truly know how to grow their money fast enough to achieve financial freedom. Stick around, because today I'm about to share the top 5 investing secrets that the wealthy don't want you to know. And trust me, you can't afford to miss even a second of this. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Start investing earlier than you think. Let me hit you with some numbers. If you invest $100 a month starting at 20 years old, earning a 10% annual return, you'll have over $760,000 by the time you're 60. But wait until you're 30, you'll only have about $320,000. That's a $440,000 difference just because you waited. Crazy, right? All right, here's the second secret. High-yield investments are your best friend, but only if you understand the risks. It's tempting to throw money at trendy stocks or cryptocurrencies when you hear about people making millions overnight. But here's the harsh truth. FOMO can bankrupt you faster than any market crash. So, how do you avoid the biggest rookie mistake in investing? Stick around for secret number 3, and I'll explain exactly what the wealthy do differently. But first, let's get real for a second. Most people lose money because they never learn this one mindset shift, and that's where secret 3 comes in. Secret 3, think long-term, like really long-term. Wealthy people know that true financial freedom comes from compound interest, not quick wins. Warren Buffett didn't become one of the richest people in the world overnight. He started investing at 11 years old and stayed consistent for decades. Imagine this, your money growing so much while you sleep that your biggest stress isn't earning, it's deciding what to spend it on. That's the power of long-term investing. Speaking of long-term, how long do you think you'll scroll TikTok before realizing it won't pay your bills in 10 years? Exactly. Now, secret number 4, diversification is not optional. Ever heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? It's cliché, but it's also the rule of investing. Spread your investments across stocks, real estate, index funds, and even bonds if you're playing it safe. Why? Because if one area tanks, the others will hold you steady. Here's the thing, most people mess this up because they ignore secret number 5, but don't worry, you won't. Let's talk about it. Secret 5, learn to master your emotions. The stock market isn't for the faint-hearted. When the market crashes, the average investor panics and sells. But the wealthy, they see it as a clearance sale. They buy low and watch their wealth soar when the market recovers. Fear and greed are your worst enemies, but discipline, that's your secret weapon. Ask yourself this. If your favorite store announced a 50% sale, would you run away? Then why do it with your investments? So there you have it, 5 investing secrets that can completely change your financial future. But here's the kicker. Knowledge without action is worthless. Which of these secrets are you going to apply first? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, make sure to check out my video on the 5 financial books you must read to achieve success. It'll give you the tools to take what you've learned today and elevate your financial game even further. Click on the video right here on the end screen. Oh, and one last thing. If you haven't subscribed yet, think about this. How much more will you lose by staying uninformed? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's build your wealth one step at a time. Because your future self is depending on you.